Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module, module number MECH underscore P underscore 010 underscore Young Freedman. Okay. Alhamdulillah, our modules are going to be entered in double figure. Okay. Up to 9 single figure, from 10 double figure. Okay. This is our 10th module. Statement: a useful and easy to remember approximate value for the number of seconds in a year is pi into 10 raised to the power 7. Determine the percent error in this approximate value. Within bracket there are 365.24 days in 1 year. 0.24 because after every 3 years, 4th year is of leap, and in leap year February month is of 29 days instead of 28. Now we move on to next slide. Solution. We know that pi with the first 100 decimal places is as under: 3.141592 and so on. 100 places are given and then there are 3 dots. It means it does not end here. It goes on endlessly. Okay. In our previous modules, we have discussed the complicated situation of pi in detail. Okay, pi, which we usually regard as 22/7, has a value equal to 3.14. Okay, 3.141592 and so on. It does not end, it continues endlessly. A lot of work has been done on this and is still being done. Okay. Decimal representation of pi is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, it is a transcendental number. Dear students, in this module, we will take the value of pi up to 7 places after decimal. Okay, we will take 3.141592. Okay, because we are concerned with pi into 10 raised to the power 7. When we are concerned with 10 raised to the power 7, then we will take pi decimal representation up to 7 places after decimal. Okay, so we will take the value of pi as 3.141592. Okay, up to 6. Scheme means how we will solve this problem. Okay, actually this is very simple problem in which we have just to calculate number of seconds in a year. We have to calculate these seconds in 2 ways. In one way, pi will be involved, and in the other way, pi will not be involved. Okay, so scheme. We calculate number of seconds in a year twice. First time without involvement of pi, and second time by involving pi. Now number of seconds in a year are given as under: 365.25 into 24 into 60 is equal to 1557600 equation number 1. In a previous module, we have already calculated number of seconds in a year, which was exactly this figure. Okay. Dear students, here you may perhaps notice that in question within bracket it was given 365.24, but actually instead of 24, 25 is better, because leap year comes after every 4 years, and if we multiply 25 with 4, then it becomes one complete. Okay, so in a statement of this question within bracket 365.24 is less appropriate and 365.25 is more appropriate. So we have found equation number 1 very easily without involvement of pi. Now in equation number 2, now pi into 10 raised to the power 7 is equal to 3.1415926, as we have already discussed in previous slide that value of pi will be taken up to 7 places after decimal. So we have done accordingly as we stated in the previous slide. Okay. Now pi into 10 raised to the power 7 is equal to 3.1415926 into 1000000, meaning 70. Okay, which is equal to 3141596, equation number 2. Now we move on to next slide. Now the percent difference E becomes E is equal to 3155760 minus 3141596 divided by 3155760 into 100%. This is just a formula. At the end of this module, while discussing additional load, we will explain this formula. Okay. So for the time being, it is enough to just write it. Okay. The first figure is seconds during the year without involvement of pi minus seconds during the year after involving pi divided by number of seconds during the year without involvement of pi multiplied by 100, because always percentage is in 100. This its answer after simplification becomes 0.4489%. This is quite 100% okay, exact answer, and this is up to 4 significant figures. Okay, this answer is 100% correct, and it is correct up to 4 significant figures. If we are required to give our answer in 3 significant figures, then it will become 0.449, because 8 will be converted into 9, because next digit is 9, which is greater than half of 1, that is greater than 5. Okay, so when it will be converted into 3 significant figures, 0.4489% will be converted into 0.449%. Okay, this is also exactly correct answer up to 3 significant figures. Now, if we are required to express our answer in 2 significant figures, then it will become 0.45, because 44 in 44, second 4 of 44 will be converted into 5, because after 44 digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So 0.449 will be converted into 0.45% up to two significant figures. Okay, and this is the answer of this solution. Now we move on to additional note. Additional note: percent error and percent difference. Percent error: when comparing an experimental result to a value determined by theory or to an accepted known value like acceleration due to gravity equal to 9.8 meter per second square, we determine the difference between the experimental value and the theoretical value as a percentage of the theoretical value. In the definition below, theoretical is the value that is determined from theory, that is calculated from physics equations, are taken as a known or accepted value like acceleration due to gravity g. So percent error is equal to modulus value of theoretical minus experimental divided by theoretical into 100%. Dear students, here theoretical minus experimental has been written within mod. Whenever something is written within these two bars, we say this is modulus value and it can never be negative. Even when greater value is subtracted from smaller value and the result is negative, but we do not take that value as negative, we assume that value as positive. So modulus value is always positive. Okay, now we move on to next slide. Percent difference: when wanting to compare two values that are both determined by experimentation, we do not have a correct or accepted value to which to compare. So we simply look at how different the two values are as a percentage of their average value. Therefore, percent difference is equal to value 1 value minus value 2. This is modulus value, okay, within mod. Okay, percent difference is equal to modulus mod of value 1 minus value 2 divided by value 1 plus value 2 divided by 2 into 100%. Okay, and this is the end of our module.